Swim.
Good spinning. Good job. We spit that ladder out, don't we? Good job. Yeah. Good spinning. Uh-oh, here comes Papa. He's going to give us a big splash.
Keep swimming.
Swim, Mommy. Uh-oh, here comes Papa.
Trigger. Trigger made a big splash. Trigger made a big splash, didn't he?
No, I'm good. My allergies are still kind of bothering me, so I think I'll just stay out of the water.
You're a good swimmer. Yay! No, Lily won't jump in. Addison, go like this.
Addison! Addison!
You can go faster.
Hey!
Where'd Papa go?
Where'd he go?
Right there.
Stay off me. Stay off me. Stay off me. Stay off. Stay off me.
Come on. Come on, use your hands.
You biting me?
Use your hands. Grandma, show you how to use your hands.
Stay off.
So here,
Get back.
kick your hand. Move your hands. Use your hands. What? Good spinning. Good way to spin off the water. Oh,
Good job.
Hold your breath so you don't get water in your mouth.
keep moving. Oh, look at Sugar getting. Sugar climbs up those steps. He's
Don't drink the water. Get your tongue in your mouth. You get your tongue in your mouth.
No? Okay. Yay! Yay! Got grapes! Got any grapes? Oh. Lily, come from the mom. Oh, come! Okay, here he comes! Here he comes!
Here he comes.
You want to get out?
Stay off me.
Oh, stay off.
Stay off.
Good boy, Trigger.
Stay off.
Good boy, Trigger. Good boy, Trigger. Addison, how does Trigger get out? Does Trigger use the ladder? Should we watch Trigger get out?
Is he gonna get out?
Get out. Look. We're gonna get out. Go up the ladder.
Oh.